Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? In our previous lecture we learned about comparing and ordering numbers. Hope so you understand very well. If you have any problem in your homework, please discuss with me. Today our topic is odd and even concept. How you can differentiate between odd and even. Today our topic is very easy. We can understand this concept by using cards. I will use cards to understand this concept because most students have cards at home. They can do this activity very easily. In this activity we have two houses. One house is odd house and one house is even house. In odd house, all odd digits are living, and in even house all even digits are living. First of all, we understand odd and even words because mostly students write all even numbers in odd house and all odd numbers in even house. You are looking, odd word has three spells O double D. There are three spells. When we make their pairs, O and D are friends, but one D has no friend. That was the reason this is odd word. In even word there are four spells. When we make their pairs, E, V, one pair, E, N, second pair. There are two pairs. That was the reason this is even word. Now we play a game. In this game there are cards. On number first there is only one card. You are looking, there is only one card. It is alone. One has no friends. This card has no friend. It is alone. That was the reason which thing has no friend. That is odd number. That is odd. Now we keep one number in odd house. One number in odd house. One is odd number. Like this. This is odd number. Now in number 2 there are two cards. Like this. There are two cards. This is one pair of two. This is one pair of two. These are two friends. That was the reason 2 is an even number. We put it in even house like this. Now we look number 3. There are three cards. There are three cards. We make their pairs. Two cards has one pair and one card is alone. One card is alone. Same as it is, odd word has three spells. Two spells have one pair and D is alone. Same as it is this card. That was the reason 3 is odd. Now in digit 4 there are four cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. We make their pairs. One pair, two pair. There are two pairs of four cards. It means 4 is an even number. It has no alone card. 4 is an even number. Number 5 has 5 cards. We make their pairs. One pair, two pair. One card is alone. That was the reason number 5 is odd number. Now in number 6 there are 6 cards. We make their pairs. One pair, 2 pair, 3 pair. There is no any alone card. That was the reason 6 is even number. Now number 7 has 7 cards. We make their pairs. 1, 2, 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, and 1 card is alone. It has no friends. That was the reason number 7 is odd number. Now number 8 has 8 cards. We make their pairs. 1, 2, 3 pairs, 4 pairs. Number 8 has 4 pairs. There is no any one alone card. That was the reason 8 is an even number. Now we count number 9 cards. There are 9 cards. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, and 1 card is alone. This card has no friend. It means 9 is an odd number. Now number 10. There are 10 cards. We make their pairs. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, 5 pair. There is no anyone alone card. That was the reason 10 is an even number. These are your homework pages. Page number 21, 22 and 28. Hope so you can do these pages very easily and understand this topic clearly. Thank you and have a nice day.